Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your Black Shark gaming tablet if it won't turn on. As you can see right here, I have the Black Shark gaming tablet, and if it doesn't turn on, then you may want to perform a few things. So first of all, you may want to try pressing and holding the power button for at least half a minute. So that's what I'll do. And in my case, it will turn itself on because it works. But if in your case it didn't, then you may want to try plugging it into charging. Also, you may first, before you plug it in, try using the charger that you're going to use. Try using it with a different device and see if the charger itself works. And see also if it charges at a reasonable speed, because if it charges like 1% of battery in half an hour, then of course it's not. There's something wrong with the charger probably. But yeah, try plugging it into power for like at least half an hour, up to an hour. Also, if your tablet was exposed to like very cold temperature, then you shouldn't plug it in for 12 hours. If it was exposed to a cold temperature for a long time, you should leave it in room temperature, unplugged from the charging. Just let it adjust to that temperature and then plug it in and see if it works. If none of that helped, then you may want to try to at least enter the recovery mode if the tablet is fully off. So I'll turn it off. And now, if I remember correctly, we'll need to press and hold on two buttons at once, the power and volume up. And keep pressing. Yeah. And if you got to this screen, then it's great. You should now start pressing and holding on power button. And while pressing, shortly press on volume up, then release both. And now you're in Android recovery. And if you manage to get here, you should use the buttons to navigate, volume up and volume down to navigate. And you may want to try to set Reboot to System Now and click on the power button. If it doesn't work, then try going to Android recovery again and go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. But remember, that will indeed erase all your data on the tablet, but it may fix the issue. So I'll actually do it. Then go down to Factory Data Reset, click on the power button, and now click on Reboot System Now on the power button. The power button approves the selected option. And now it will take a longer time to boot, and after that you will be able to set it up. It will ask you to provide the Google account's credentials that were previously signed in on this tablet, or the screen lock of the tablet, maybe possibly. Oh, it actually booted pretty quickly. I did not expect that. Now let's select the network. I'll show you basically what I mean. You'll need to connect to a network if the lock is displayed in the top left corner. That just means that you are required to connect to a network. Then I'll click on Don't Copy for the apps and data. And then it asks me for the old screen lock, or I can use Google account, but I do know my old screen lock, so I can enter it and then go through the rest of the setup. I'll skip the Google account for now. I'll set a PIN this time. And yeah, the rest of the setup, as you can see, in my case it works. If you still didn't manage to make it work, then I would suggest you take it to an authorized service, to like after sales service, to see what's happening there. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.